Hi everyone, let's find Laplace transform for e to the power at. A is a constant, maybe positive or negative. Then it becomes integration from 0 to infinity, e minus st times eat dt. And it equal 0 to infinity, e minus s plus a t dt. And it equal 0 to infinity e to the power minus s minus a t dt, and integration of this term is equal minus 1 over s minus a e minus s minus a t 0 to infinity, and it equal, if you put the boundary, minus 1 over s minus a, it become minus infinity, minus s minus a times t, which is infinity, and it become minus s minus a times infinity minus 1 over s minus a e to the power minus s minus a times 0. This term becomes 0 because e to the power minus infinity is 0. So this term equal to 0 minus, and e to the power 0 is 1. So it becomes minus 1 over s minus a. And it equal minus times minus, it become 1 over s minus a. So Laplace transform of e to the power at equal to 1 over s minus a. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.